Hello everyone, I am once again back with my OER lecture, that is Open Educational Resource lecture. Today I am going to talk on a very interesting topic called need, greed and environment. We all know that we heavily depend on environment for our every resource we required from day in and day out throughout the year. Man has certain advantages and intellectual abilities, and therefore he become little over dominant over a period of time. As a result, man has started modifying, changing, altering, and even devastating environment. Frankly speaking, man has lost the connect with the environment. And therefore, it is a time to see now the difference between the need based and a greed based consumption of resource. As far as the need based consumption of resource is concerned, it basically required for our survival. Naturally, we also need to consume more and more resources to cater the growing population, because without which we cannot ensure the equity and equality. We also need to ensure local, regional and global balance and equity. And at that same time, we need to uplift the overall standard of living of the people, and for that all reason we need to consume more and more resources. Therefore, the need based consumption of resources is absolutely fair, inevitable and tenable. And for that reason, if we need to take some use of technology, it is absolutely understandable. However, the word greed itself is very infinite in nature. How much to consume, for what, how much to store, more and more accumulative nature of man, the more and more materialistic mindset of man, the tendency to exploit the nature, the people, the countries and the surrounding. It has certain other issues as well as individual and community issues. Those people who are involved and those communities and the countries which are involved in greed based consumption, they are out of the world mentality. Basically, it is a very inhuman and arrogance of those who are haves. The greed based consumption is basically accumulative, exploitative, profit driven, and that therefore creates division and disparity among us. It is absolutely selfish in nature to go for more and more accumulative consumption. The greed based consumption also devastates the environment. It dominates human communities. It creates disparity. Also, it creates the hostility among the people, society, and countries. So much so that sometimes it leads to war-like situation. Greed-based consumption is also a classic case of overuse, misuse, and destructive use. It is nothing but a direct interference in the nature. As a result, greed-based consumption is definitely not acceptable on any count. It leads to the devastation of environment and ecology, and that creates further the dispute between economy of any region and the ecology of that region. It is the reason for many global tensions, resource crisis, environmental degradation and many more such issues. The time has come now to conclude and understand the difference between the need based and greed based consumption. Need based consumption is measurable, the greed based consumption is infinite. Need based consumption is understandable, greed based consumption is absolutely inhuman and arrogant of haves. Need based consumption takes care of sustenance, and naturally it takes care of optimum usage of resource. The greed based consumption is accumulative, it is for lavish, luxurious life, and naturally it is a selfish in nature, and that leads to overuse and misuse. So, what we have to learn from this? Naturally, we have to overcome our greed, more and more greed. We have to change our lifestyle. Need based consumption is the necessity of the time, and that is why we must reduce our greed and take care of nature and environment. Thank you.